Hello everyone! In our today's tutorial, we are going to create a customer satisfaction poll or a rating poll to know how your customers like your services, products, content, and more. So let's dive right in. So for creating a customer satisfaction poll, we are going to use the Poll Maker plugin. So first you need to click on Add New, and here you can see the default look of your poll dashboard. So in the title, it has the default title, so we have to change it to, maybe we can write down your opinion. All right, and some exclamation mark. Okay, and then you can categorize your poll or leave it just uncategorized. And here comes our poll question. So you can add a question image. I'm going to skip it. I'm just going to try to make the customer satisfaction poll for you with Poll Maker as fast as possible. So let's write down the question. Do you like our products? All right, and right. Do you like our products? And here we have the poll types. So we have the choosing type, the rating type, which we are going to use right now. And in our channel, there are going to be video tutorials on all these types and functionalities. So stay tuned and follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And here we have the answers. So you can either leave a star or an emoji. I'm going to go with the most conservative way, which is our star, and you can make it a 5-star, 4-star, 3-star. Just let's leave it with 5 stars because these are the common ones. And in the style section, you can customize it. There are already made themes. For example, the light shape theme is a colorful one. And then you can add a background image. Let's see what I have in our media library. So maybe we can do something. Okay, let's go with this, right? It's something like about products. Yeah, I guess this is good. And then you can decide the background image position, answer icon, you can decide, and then title, font size. There is a very detailed customization, and you can add a title, text shadow, and many more. I'm going to go through all of these functions, and let's just see how the result looks. Let's click on Save Poll, and you can either create a post right from the Poll Maker plugin from the dashboard, or you can do it the way that you are used to do it. Just copy the shortcut, go to Post, click on Add New, and then if you are using this editor, you have to click on Shortcut Block, find the shortcut block and paste the shortcut and click on Publish. And let's view our post, and this is how it looks. So you can make bold all of this, fonts and titles. You can change all of this. I guess my coloring option is not very well because the stars do not look like very bright, but you can change it and customize it however you want. And then you have to click and vote, and this is about it. So this was it for our today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. As I've already mentioned, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you want to find out more about Poll Maker functionalities, comment down below. You can also write down some video tutorials for our upcoming videos. And do not forget to subscribe, hit your notification bell. See you soon. Bye!